In this video we're going to show you how to board a wheelchair in an up-front wheelchair vehicle, in this case a Fiat Doblo. Slide open the rear door. Press the button to release the front door and open outways. Pull the ramp handle to extend the ramp. Turn on the front restraints and pull them out of the vehicle and attach them to a suitable point on your wheelchair. Turn off the front rails. Board your wheelchair carefully up the ramp. Close the front ramp and push the door shut. Release the rear restraints by lifting the handle and attaching them one at a time to a suitable point at the back of the wheelchair. The wheelchair is now in place. If a wheelchair passenger was on board, they would now use the passenger seatbelt to secure themselves.